Hi, I'm Imani Nicole. I'm a breathwork practitioner, somatic healer, and guided meditation facilitator. And I'm also the founder of Elemental Breath LA. We meet people where they are, as they are, in their mindfulness journey by providing approachable, accessible, and affordable wellness opportunities with a focus on breathwork and meditation. I'd like to talk to you about a founder's dilemma. No, not the dilemma by Noam Wasserman. The one that you may be experiencing every month, maybe every week, and likely every day. Time. There never seems to be enough of it. Day to day, we juggle responsibilities, working in the business and on the business, deciding what to focus on and what to prioritize, all alongside our lives that are outside of our business. And often as founders, our minds are so cluttered and full of all the things that we need to take care of in our business that we forget to take care of our most important business asset, ourself, specifically our mental self, which, whether you believe it or not, drives the success of our business. Our creativity and productivity stem from clarity. And by incorporating a few mindful practices and tools into your daily habits, you can achieve clarity and meet those business milestones with less stress and more focus. Our productivity and creativity stem from clarity. And by incorporating a few mindfulness practices into your daily tasks and habits, you can achieve that clarity and meet those business milestones with more focus and less stress. The flight attendant instructs you to put your mask on before helping others for a reason. You can't give your best self to your business if you are not first taking care of yourself. So join me on Monday, March 14th at 6 p.m. for a mindful wellness workshop. And I'll be delighted to bring you a few tools to help you stay oxygenated, but also invest in your best business asset, yourself. This workshop is free and brought to you by the Cal State LA LEEAF Accelerator and Fellowship Program. I look forward to seeing you.